You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this acronym. What does it mean? What does it stand for? The meaning is usually may have different meanings in English. High definition, as in sound or video format. High definition, or simply as an acronym, HD. How to pronounce English pronunciation, HD or high definition. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.